start a conversation. I need your card first.
Sir, have a good day. I have to say it one more time. I'm going to put you in handcuffs. Have a good day. Are you going to walk? Okay.
I'm walking. I need your name and badge number.
That's it. It took too long. Let's go.
Fucking car. If I want to check on the car, I have the right to. Because stop touching me, man. You going to let him keep touching me? You want CCRB? I'm going up. Move out the way. Go in your car. Stop touching me, nigga. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. How? Excuse me, sir.
Turn around.
Excuse me.
Turn around. Turn around.
I don't even know who you are, so you didn't identify yourself.
Turn around. State police. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
How am I trespassing?
Let's go. That's it.
When a man with a camera walks onto public property, he's met not with dialogue, but with force, from public sidewalks to government buildings. This video captures an intense and chaotic clash between constitutional rights and law enforcement overreach. The question isn't whether he can film, it's how far officials will go to stop him, and why they fear the lens so much.
Okay. So before I even entered, I checked the signs to see if authorized personnel only.
Right.
There's no sign saying that
Okay.
the public can't go in there.
Right.
So I'm assuming it's open to the public. Anyways, people go in there to conduct business. There's an office there where the public conducts business. This gentleman threatened to arrest me if I didn't leave. I'm telling him that I'm not doing nothing, I'm not bothering anybody. There's no sign saying I can't be here.
I'm not familiar with the area, so if you want, you can wait here. I'm gonna go talk to him.
Okay.
And then I'll get back with you.
Can I just get your name and badge number?
Hope.
Wow.
Justin Hope. And my badge number is 9412. Nice, I like it.
Yeah. Hope keeps me alive, man.
Keeps everybody alive.
Right. Can you help me up?
No, I'm not gonna help you up.
My back hurts.
Okay, here's the deal. Do you have any ID that I can see?
Why?
What's that?
Why is that?
Because you're being trespassed from the property.
How?
So,
Isn't this public property?
it is, but
I didn't
he's
commit a
an
crime.
authoritative figure on this property. He's a custodian of this.
He
so he can trespass you.
He asked me to leave and I left. If I go back onto the property, then that's trespassing.
Okay, you're on the property now.
I came to talk to you. This is all public right here, sir.
Can I see your ID?
Can you give me a break, please? Can you give me a break? Because I'm not trespassing.
Well, you're not going to jail right now.
Am I being detained?
No.
I'm off balance here. Give me a second.
Okay, here's the deal. Let me explain something to you. I'm asking to see your ID, so it's up to you if you want to give it to me. If you do, I'm going to give you a piece of paper.
And if I don't give you my ID?
Then you still have to leave. Either way, you have to leave.
Sir, the only reason why I stood around is because he called you. I don't run from the law. I don't commit crimes.
Well, I understand, but do you understand what I'm explaining to you?
No.
Okay, basically, if you don't leave, you're going to go to jail.
From public, you're trespassing me from public property without committing a crime?
So I was going to give you a sheet of paper documenting this if you want.
I mean, you could give me the sheet of paper. I'm not.
I need your ID though, so I can fill it out.
Sir, you need my ID to serve me a trespass notice?
Yeah. On a piece of paper I do, because it's got a spot for your name.
I'm not going to waive my Fourth Amendment because I didn't commit any crimes.
Okay, here's the deal. I'm now telling you to leave. If you don't leave right now, I'm taking you to jail.
Can I answer you? Because I was leaving already. Sir, I'm leaving.
Hello, okay? You see something you don't like? Tell me, what's up?
What's up? Yo. You gotta get off the street, brother. Go on the sidewalk.
Am I impeding traffic?
Yeah, you are actually. You're in the middle of the street.
So then we're all impeding traffic.
Well, we're speaking with you. So
I'm speaking with you?
go on the sidewalk.
Am I committing a crime?
You all right? You need medical attention?
Are you high?
My thing is like, it's very odd that you just recording.
Why is that odd?
You can record all you want, my brother.
But have from a distance.
So what's the problem?
But you can record on a sidewalk.
Yeah.
Okay?
Am I impeding traffic?
This is police vehicle property, like it's part of the police station.
You're in the street. Right now, you're in the street, okay?
We're all in the street.
Yes, we're speaking with you.
Yeah, we're having a conversation.
Right. So now I'm instructing you and I'm letting you know. So you can record all you want. It's a public area.
What law am I breaking?
But now you're on a public street.
See,
so
like you're literally on the RP, on the car.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that.
You look like you. What you trying to find out? I'm curious.
There's many things to find out. There's many things.
You want to play this game? Because we can take it. We try to deal with this. Like,
am I being detained?
No, you're not.
Okay.
But
so have a nice day.
Okay. So can you
on the sidewalk?
Am I committing a crime?
You can't be in the street.
You can't be recording. You cannot be recording the.
Actually, we're all in the street right now.
Yes.
So we're all committing a crime, all three of us?
You are.
What crime?
You're in the middle of a street. You're a danger to yourself and others.
It's a crime to be.
Let me ask you a question.
It doesn't have to be a crime.
Let me ask you a question.
It's a crime to be a danger to yourself?
By standing in the street, you are right now obstructing.
How do you know I'm not crossing the street or I'm not going into one of my cars?
Go on the sidewalk. Go on the sidewalk. Go on the sidewalk. Record all you want from the sidewalk, okay? Record. Don't put your hands on me.
Don't touch me then.
Don't put your hands
I'm
on
on
me.
the sidewalk.
Go on the sidewalk. On the sidewalk.
Don't touch me. I'm on the sidewalk.
Yeah, all right.
Go on the
You good
sidewalk.
though?
That's it.
I need you to stop touching me.
Rosario.
I need your card right
23291.
now.
And then Martinez.
I need your card right
2295.
now.
I don't have any cards.
You got to produce one.
23291.
You touch me.
I
You
told
got
you.
your body cam on. I'm asking for your card. Produce it now.
All right, just step by on the sidewalk.
Tell me what to do. You have no authority over me. You have no authority over me.
Listen,
Tell me what
record all
to
you
do.
want from the sidewalk.
You cannot record
Right?
inside the RMP.
I can do whatever I want. Am I breaking the law?
My thing is, I come at you correctly, right?
Okay.
For like,
Do I have
civilly.
to talk to you?
Huh?
Do I have to talk to you?
Nobody has to do nothing.
All right then.
But I'm as a gentleman,
So
as a
why you
human
touching
being.
me?
Take your hands out.
Stop touching me, bro.
Take your hands out
Stop
your pocket.
touching me, bro.
Take your hands
Am
out
I
your pocket.
detained?
Take your hands out your
Am I
pocket.
detained?
Take your hands out
Am
your
I
pocket.
detained?
When you're talking to us, take your
I
hands
don't
out
give
your
a
pocket.
fuck about police safety,
It's okay.
dog.
It's all right.
Yo,
Back up.
You don't feel safe?
Back
Break
up.
contact.
Back up.
What law is being broken?
no,
Why you still in my
but
face?
you're acting very
I
erratic.
can act however I want. It's America. Break contact. There's no law
Do
being
you need
broken.
medical attention?
Am I being detained?
Do you need medical
Am I being
attention?
detained?
You want to call a bus?
I don't answer questions. Am I being detained?
You want to call a bus?
Am I being detained?
Call
Call the bus for yourself.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
For what crime? For what crime? Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. Because I'm engaged in, I wasn't
You're in the
stuck
middle of
traffic.
traffic. We're trying to have a
I'm on the
civil
sidewalk.
conversation, and you want to escalate the situation.
When you detained me, where was I standing? On the sidewalk, right?
No, you wasn't. You was in the middle of
When
the street.
you're detaining me right now, where am I standing?
But you're not going to be in the middle of the street, okay?
I wasn't in the middle of the street. I was on the sidewalk, stupid. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor.
Okay?
Right now.
Well, now you're being detained.
For what crime? For what crime? What crime am I being detained for?
You're not committed a crime.
So why am I in
You
handcuffs?
don't look like you're thinking rationally.
Bro, I'm engaged in a constitution protected activity.
That's all.
I told you break
I asked you
contact.
politely what's going
I
on.
told
If I
you
can help
politely
you.
leave me alone.
And it's your phone.
I told you, give it to me in my hand. I told you politely leave me alone. I said, am I being detained? You said no. I said, so leave me alone. Why are you still standing here?
You
still
acting very
pushing me?
irate.
No,
You very acting
I can
irate.
act
I
however
try to
I
have a
want,
civil
bro.
conversation with you.
I don't have to talk to you, Bobby.
You don't have to talk. You don't have to talk.
You got that blue light over here. Standing in the middle of the street.
You're obstructing traffic. No, you were on the street.
When
You
you
were on
detained
the
me,
street.
where was I standing?
On the street first. When the first interaction, you were on the street.
I came at
You're
you correct and
obstructing
polite,
traffic.
and you want to
I
answer.
told you to step on the sidewalk and you didn't listen.
You can't videotape our stuff. You gotta go back up, get on the sidewalk, my brother. You can't do that. So go on the sidewalk.
Why are you touching me?
You can't videotape our stuff over here. Go
Why are
over
you
there.
touching me?
Go on the sidewalk, brother. You can't go. What's your reason to videotape us for? What's
What's
the
your reason
reason?
for touching me?
What's that? You can't come out near our
Why'd
police
you touch
car.
me?
Sorry, you can't come
Let me
near
get
our
your card,
police
please.
car. Let me get your ID then.
For what?
You can't come near our police car. I'm actually get back
Why?
on the sidewalk. That's it.
Why?
Sorry.
Why are you asking me that?
Why? Because you can't come near our police car
Why
like
not?
that. I'm sorry. Officer safety.
Officer safety is a law?
Yes. I don't know what you're doing.
Is officer safety a law?
I don't know your intent, my brother.
So watch. My intent is to record.
I don't know your intent, brother.
My intent is to record. Now that you know my intent. Now that you know my intent, now what?
Yeah. Okay. So
You know
that's
my
it.
intent.
So stay away from
Investigative
my car.
journalism.
So stay away from
Investigative
my car.
journalism. Don't touch me again.
So don't stay away from my car.
They got a chair, flashlight,
Excuse me.
And the
Can you get away from
cone.
my car, please?
Excuse me. You're blocking my movement. Why are you blocking my
I'm
movement?
asking you again. Just move.
You can ask
Yeah.
me. Don't touch
Move.
me, bro.
Then get away from my car.
Am I
That's
detained?
it. So move then.
Am I
move.
detained?
Move. Get away from my car.
How close he is to me.
Move. Move away from my car.
Whose car?
This, the police car.
The people's car, right?
Move away from this car, please. Move
wanna
away
walk?
from this
You
car.
wanna
Move away from this car.
Y'all
That's
see
it.
this? You see the intimidation tactics? That it's not gonna work.
Just walk away from the car.
I'm on the
boss.
sidewalk. Excuse me.
Thank you. Walk away from the car.
Just don't touch me, whatever you do.
Walk away from the car.
I'm good.
Excuse me. Move away from the car.
Stop
Thank
touching
you.
me, bro.
Move
Hold up.
away from the car. Move away from the car.
Stop
I'm
touching
not
me,
going to
bro.
tell you again.
Stop touching
Move
me.
away from the car.
Excuse me. Stop blocking my movement.
Bro, move away
Bro,
from
am
my
I
car.
detained,
That's
bro?
it.
Am I detained?
Move away from the
Am I
car.
detained?
That's it.
Why you
Move
blocking my
away
movement?
from the car.
Why you blocking my movement
That's
in
it.
public?
Move away
I'm
from
not
the
gonna
car.
listen to you, bro. I'm free. I'm
Yeah?
a free citizen. That means I can walk, I can film What's your problem, bro?
You can't come by a police car like that.
Why not?
From the side.
What law is it? What law is it? What law are you enforcing, law enforcement officer? What law are you enforcing? Exactly. Don't touch me. Stop blocking my movement.
Listen, just move away from the car, man.
Why?
Just move away from the car. That's all it is.
Why?
Just move away from the car.
Move away from the sidewalk?
We just told you.
Move away from the sidewalk? I'm on the sidewalk. I'm on the sidewalk where my rights are strongest. This is a traditional public forum.
Go over there, B.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I can film from anywhere on the sidewalk. I can film from anywhere in public.
Okay, that's nice.
Didn't you swear over to protect my rights?
Listen, bro.
So why are you trying to violate my rights? Why are you touching me?
Bro,
if I'm not committing a crime. Give me a car. You still nigga. I don't have to do nothing. I'm free. I'm free, yeah.
Okay.
Am I being detained?
I told you.
Am I being detained? You can't tell me shit. You have no authority.
I just told you.
You have no authority over me.
Okay.
So if you tell me to pull down my pants, I gotta pull down my pants?
I'm telling you get away from.
So if you tell me to pull down my
that's
pants, I gotta pull down my pants?
Bro,
It doesn't matter what you tell me, bro. I'm a free citizen.
Bro,
I'm on the sidewalk. Move away from me,
away
please.
from the vehicle. Just move away from the vehicle. That's it. That's it.
Away from the vehicle.
Give me your cards,
I
bro.
can't do it.
Stop
I can't
touching
do
me.
it.
Stop touching me because I'm
Move
gonna
away
defend
from
myself.
there. Move.
I'm gonna defend myself. Stop touching me.
Move.
Stop touching me. Give me your fucking card and call your supervisor.
She's here. What we want to do?
Good. Excuse me.
Yeah, this guy's up on us trying to record all the time. He's
Are you the supervisor?
Yeah, I am.
Can you answer a question for me? Why they blocking my movement?
What's happening there?
Nothing. He's recording all in there.
I told him my intent. I told him investigative journalism. He's still putting his hands on me. For what? I'm on the sidewalk. I'm free.
You can't be all up on the
Why
car
not?
like that.
You can't
do
record.
that.
Why not?
You can
What crime
record
is
out here,
it?
that's fine, but you can't be all up on
What
the
crime
car.
is it, ma'am?
Did you hear what I just said?
What crime is it,
I
ma'am?
said you can record, but you can't be all
I
up
can
on the
record
police
anywhere
car.
in public, ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
What
Y'all
crime is
stop
it?
off?
I need your card. I need his card. It's a right to go hands-on for somebody recording in public. A right that you swore to protect.
I'm gonna ask you to take 2 steps back.
Why? I'm on the sidewalk,
Take
ma'am.
2 steps back from me. You're
I'm on the
in my
sidewalk,
zone of
ma'am.
safety. Back up.
That's not a law.
I'm asking you to
You're in
get away
public.
from me.
I need your card.
Not a problem.
Y'all think there's no... You arresting me for...
1750 hours authority out there, 109 requesting a city hospital. Canvas regards to confirm female age name, and below. Date of birth 6/13/2001, approximate 5'6", multi pound, 5'4", white and yellow striped t-shirt.
What's your name?
You know what my name is because you're recording and you can see it right here.
Who said I was recording, sir?
Stop. Get out of the precinct. Come on. Come on, buddy.
Why are you asking me to leave a public building?
You see the sign right here? Come on. Let me show you. Let me show you. Where's the sign at? Right on the door. Close the door. Now let me record in the precinct, buddy.
Who said I was recording, sir?
Come on. Stop.
Who said I was recording, sir?
You can't determine whether or not you're recording.
All right then. So that's hearsay, and that's assuming.
No, we're asking you to leave.
A public building, man. Why?
Because I told you.
Am I
to.
being disorderly?
No, but we
Am I
can
going
go-
anywhere I'm not supposed to be?
Do you have a C summons on you?
For what?
No, I don't have them.
Let me see your ID.
For what?
You have ID or no?
Why are you asking me for
I write you a C
ID?
summons because I asked you to leave the building.
You have to give me an
I'm not talking
opportunity
to you.
to leave.
I'm not talking to you.
You have to give me an
My
opportunity
man,
to
close the
leave.
door.
Yeah.
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 You see this?
I'm waiting for my boy. I gotta close the door. I'm paying.
What's your name and badge number?
Here it is, right here. You got a card?
Come.
Your RTK card.
I'm asking you one last time to close the door.
Can I get your card?
We can hold the
please?
door open.
Close the door.
You're his supervisor?
Yes, I am.
And you're just gonna allow him to just do whatever he wants?
Yeah, because he's doing something that's lawful.
What's that?
He's telling you to leave.
Can I get your name and badge number?
To leave.
Right here, and you're already recording. You can see you with your little red eye.
Your RTK card. Can I get that, please?
What?
Let's let them come outside. Don't block the door.
Excuse me, you're blocking. Now you're blocking an entrance.
No, he's
Now you're
not. You can
blocking
pass through.
No, I can't. See this barrier?
you
there?
can.
You guys
Look.
are on the wrong side of the barriers as well.
There is no wrong. Yo, you're doing a
You know
lot.
why that's there?
Yeah, it's for our protection.
For
Please.
your protection? I have a gun. All of y'all.
All right, I know what you guys are doing, and it's annoying.
Yeah.
Please leave. Oh my God, you're so annoying. Come on, let's go.
Give me your card.
Come on, let's go.
Give me your
Let's
card.
Go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
I'm a dog.
Come on, let's go.
Am I a dog?
All right, enough out of here.
I need your card.
For what?
I need your card too.
What?
Because you made contact with me.
Did I?
No one even.
Yeah.
Mad close, bro.
And you asked me for ID, so I need your card.
Relax, bro. Relax.
You also can't.
See-
You also can't smoke in front of a New York City building.
Now I'm gonna record.
In front of a New York City building.
Now I'm recording.
You can't.
Now,
Cigarette butts on the floor.
That's for people passing by.
now I'm recording. Excuse me.
Act like I'm passing by.
But you aren't passing by. You're still standing here.
What else can we do?
Come on.
Bro, go back to work, bro. There's no crimes here. You enforce the laws. You don't enforce your ego. You can go back to work, sir.
Really?
Yeah, you can go back to work, sir. You can go back to work, sir.
Nothing else better to do.
You can go back to work, and I need your card. You're violating the law right now.
What law am I violating?
The right to know act is a
The right to
law.
know act?
Yeah.
You know what? I'll give you
Thank
a card.
you. Look how your attitude changed,
You know what?
right?
I'll give you a card.
Thank you. That's what I
How many
thought.
cards do you want? You want one?
That's what I thought, and I need yours too.
You want two? Come on, here. Take all these cards. Take all the cards. Here, you want more? Here.
You can ask for ID all day long, pa.
You don't have any ID on you?
I don't answer questions.
You don't have any ID?
Why you touching me for? What are you detaining me for?
Stop.
I gotta figure out who you are.
What's this sign mean?
So please, can you stop recording? You can take all the pictures you would like. I have no problem with that. Just don't record here.
Is that a law or a policy? Am I breaking the law?
This is our law and procedures. This is our policy for the precinct.
Okay, it's a policy. I'm not breaking the law, ma'am. That means I have a right to be here.
I'm asking you and I say stop recording. You can take everything. I have
Can you
no
do me a
problem.
favor?
Yeah.
Can I get your card and 3 CCRB complaint forms?
Sure, no problem.
Thank
Give
you.
me 1 second.
Zuby, I need you to stop recording. I need you to exit.
Hi, Sergeant.
Sir, stop recording.
Are you asking me to leave?
Yes, 100%. If you don't leave, you will be trespassed.
You gotta give me an opportunity to leave,
No,
right?
leave now. This is the opportunity. Correct.
What's that?
Right there, you can record all you want.
Why can't I record in there?
Because we said so. That's why. Sergeant Escazubi, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I need your card.
There you go. Sergeant Escazubi was
I need your
162. I don't have a card available with me.
You gotta
If
write
you
it
would
down.
like, I can write it right there for you.
Of course, write it down.
Can you just stop blocking the
I'm talking, I'm conducting business.
No, you can't. Back up. Don't block the
You don't have to
There you
touch
go.
me, bro. Relax.
Look,
De-escalate.
Sergeant
They didn't teach you de-escalate?
Escazubi,
You a sergeant and they don't teach you
162.
de-escalate?
Here you go, sir. Don't come back.
Is
and
that a
don't-
policy? Don't
come
tell me
back
what to
and
do.
record.
Don't tell me what to do.
Don't
I'm not
come back
breaking
and
the
record.
law.
You will be arrested. And do not
Give me
block
my
anything.
CCRB complaint forms. Thank you.
You can
Do
actually
your
go-
job. Thank you. Do your job. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Fucking tyrant. You don't take your job seriously, Sergeant?
Sir, one more time, or you will be arrested. If you block that one.
Arrested for what? I'm waiting for my paperwork. Relax, bro. Let me talk to your lieutenant.
Move to the left.
Let me talk to your
Move to the
lieutenant.
left. Thank you, sir.
Let me speak to your lieutenant. Get your lieutenant, by the way.
No, Sergeant Escazubi,
Get your lieutenant, because you don't know what you're doing.
Sergeant Escazubi, that's who you do.
Give me your lieutenant.
3 CCRB complaint.
What's his name? Because he fucking scribbled his name. What's his name?
Sergeant Escazubi.
Askazubi? How do you spell that?
ASCAZUBI.
So what law is it that I can't record in there?
You cannot record inside this facility.
I'm asking you, what law is it? What law am I breaking?
I'm not here to argue with you. There's your paperwork.
Of course, because you can't argue, because there is no law, ma'am. I need to speak to his lieutenant, because he's out of control.
Our sergeant on scene right now.
There has to be a lieutenant. You didn't even write your name down properly.
Hey, give me the ID.
For what?
I need your ID.
You need for what? What crime do you
You're gonna
suspect
get
me of?
Give me
What
your
crime
ID.
do
Are
you
you
suspect
refusing
me
to?
of?
You're
No, I'm
refusing to
asking.
provide ID? 92 Charlie.
What crime do you suspect me of?
Charlie.
Get away from my car.
Don't touch me. You have no reason. Don't touch me.
Get away from my car. Why?
Don't touch me.
Go on the
Go
sidewalk.
away on the
Don't
sidewalk
touch me.
now.
Go on the sidewalk.
Go on the sidewalk.
Bro, stop touching me. Go on the sidewalk. Stop touching me. You have no reason to touch me. Don't touch me. What law am I breaking? Don't touch me. What am I being
Get on the
detained for?
sidewalk.
What crime am I being detained for? Stop touching me. Stop touching me. What crime are you touching me for?
Sir,
Stop touching me.
Get away from me.
Stop touching me. I'm on the sidewalk. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? Stop touching me. I can walk anywhere I want. I'm on the sidewalk. Stop touching me, bro. Stop touching me. I can defend myself. You have no reason to touch me. The fuck out of here, nigga. You stupid? Why you touching me? Why you touching me? No, you approaching me, nigga. Stop touching me, bro. What's your name, Mena? Stop touching me, Mena. And you got 3 stripes on your arm. You letting this nigga touch me for no reason? You stupid?
Why are you coming up to my...
Cause I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Come up,
Stop
get away
touching
from
me.
my face.
You in my
Stop
face.
getting in my face.
Break contact, nigga. Go back to what you was doing. A free citizen.
You want us to discount him?
For what? Free speech in America? You want to violate my rights? Because I'll sue you, bro. For free speech? While I'm recording?
Stop
Why let me call him?
Stop walking into the road.
Why? I'm not impeding
You're not
traffic.
allowed to.
Yes, I can.
Yes,
This
you
is
are.
look.
Somebody could have hit you.
Somebody can hit me. If they hit me, they hitting you. Make it make sense.
I said stop.
What's the law? What law is it?
You can't be coming in the street.
This is not the street, it's the parking lot. It's right here, it's the driveway.
That's the driveway, exactly.
I'm not impeding traffic. I can stand in the street all I want. You saying that people can't walk in the street? You saying that we can't walk in the street? A public street? I can't walk in a public street?
No, you cannot.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I'm not impeding traffic. Your car's right there.
Yes.
So if I'm impeding traffic, you're impeding traffic. Make it make sense. I'm not stopping no cars. What are you saying? What are you saying? I'm not impeding traffic. I could walk in the street all day long. What if I'm scared of sidewalks? I could walk in the street all day long. Yeah, get out of here. Fuck out of here. Don't touch nobody. I can check on the car all I want.
Back up. I said stop coming up
Bro.
now.
Bro, stop touching me, bro. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. This is the people's fucking car. If I want to check on the car, I have the right to. Stop touching me, man. You gonna let him keep touching me? You want CCRB? I'm going up. Move out the way. Go in your car. Stop touching me, nigga. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. So back the fuck up. So back the fuck up. Go in your car, bro. Get in your car. You're dismissed. You're dismissed. Get the fuck out of here. For what? For what? For checking up on... Don't touch me. I didn't commit a crime. I didn't commit a crime. I did not commit a crime. For what crime? Call your supervisor right now. I'm demanding a supervisor. Call your supervisor right now. For what? Freedom of speech? For what crime?
Keep on walking up.
What crime? I'm checking up on the cars. Okay. I have a right to do that. Call your supervisor right now. Call your supervisor right now.
When you come,
Call your supervisor right now. I can check on the car all I want.
stop.
Call your supervisor.
Put your hands behind your back.
Call your supervisor.
Put.
Yes, you are resisting. Just get the other car.
Call your supervisor right now. What are you arresting me for?
7.2.
Call your supervisor, please, right now. I'm demanding a supervisor because you're unlawfully detaining me. Are you detaining me or arresting me? Which one?
7.2.
Call your supervisor right now. Because right now, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, watch what you're doing, bro. Call your supervisor. I'm demanding to speak to a supervisor right now. I'm demanding to speak to a supervisor right now. You know what prior restraint is? You know me, but you don't know what prior restraint is? What are you talking about, bro?
Take a hike.
What?
Take a hike.
Is that a lawful order?
Yeah, it's lawful order.
Yeah, you wish.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you wish.
It is.
Make me take a hike.
All right.
Since it's a lawful order.
It is lawful order.
Yeah. So make me take a hike.
So you're not going to take a walk?
Oh, all right.
All right. You sure you're not going to take a walk?
Of course, I'm sure.
All right.
Exercising rights on the sidewalk.
Oh.
What law are you enforcing?
Enforcing?
Yeah, what law?
Well, the park film department property.
What law is that?
Come inside.
Okay, what law
It's
is that?
Safety.
Safety for who?
For us. Yo, do me a favor.
Do me a
Take
favor.
a walk.
Do me a
No.
favor.
92. Do me a favor, put your hands behind your back.
For what?
For what? For what? I gave you a lawful order.
Exercising my
You
rights
refuse.
in public?
No.
Call your
You're not.
supervisor.
Oh, I wouldn't. Oh, trust me, I wouldn't.
Put your hand behind your back.
Why? Why am I being detained? Oh, here we go. No, I'm okay.
Sure? So you're not looking.
I'm fine, thank you.
Maybe you recording the car?
Yes.
Why?
I can't get into it.
I mean, you can because you're at the recording the car. Why?
I can't talk about it.
So then if you can't talk about it, why don't you move along then? Sir?
I'm sorry, I'm reading something.
Okay, well, you can read something somewhere else. You can move along. Sir, if I have to ask you again, I'm going to have to call you an ambulance because it seems like something's wrong.
Why would you say that?
Because it seems like you're acting erratic in the street.
Erratic?
When we're talking to you, you're not responding.
Exactly, strange.
Okay?
Oh, do the people have to talk to the police?
No.
Right, we have the Fifth Amendment, right?
Yeah, but you're approaching us, coming
You're
to...
approaching us.
That's
You're by
fine.
the vehicle. We're gonna know like what's.
It's public property. I'm just taking pictures on the sidewalk.
Doesn't mean you could. It's you don't own it.
Exactly.
New Yorkers own it. New York owns it. The people pay taxes.
Exactly.
We fund these vehicles.
What is it you're looking for?
I don't need your help, sir. I'm just taking pictures in public on the
have a good
sidewalk. I am having a good day.
So they go home.
I don't want to go home. I want to take pictures of the car.
You can't take pictures of the car.
I can't? Why not?
Because it's strange. You're saying that you're here recording a vehicle and have no reason.
Do you honestly think that it's strange for people to take pictures in public? Do you honestly think that?
You can take pictures in public.
So why is it strange? So why are you trying to? So why are you trying to go down the EDP road? It's not gonna work, and it's not gonna stand up in court. Go ahead, sure. I want to see
Recording
it.
a vehicle that is parked in the street, it brings suspicion that someone may be canvassing the vehicle and trying to commit a crime in the future. So it's our job to deter that crime. So now that we approach you and ask you, what do you do with the vehicle? And your response, and I quote, was, I can't discuss it. Now we have an issue.
Oh yeah.
Exactly. So
I'm working on a story, and if I
finish my sentence, now
sure, let me know when you finish so I can talk. Okay.
I'm trying to resolve that issue, and you're still giving me a talk back instead of trying to let me help resolve that issue. So I'm gonna ask you again, how can we help you?
Are you done talking? Can I talk now?
Yes, I asked you a question. How can we help you?
Right. So, do I have to speak to you at any point?
When you're recording a vehicle,
Do I have to speak? Do I have to speak to you at any point?
Yes.
No, I don't. Never. I never had to talk to you. I'm on the sidewalk.
You want to do that rather than fine.
I'm on the sidewalk. There's a third option. You can respect my rights and go back to work.
Nobody violating your rights.
So why is he trying to EDP me?
Because you're here.
Why are you trying to EDP me? I'm taking pictures of public property on a traditional public forum. Recording, yeah. Taking pictures, recording. The First Amendment. Remember you swore to.
Here's our options.
Do you remember that you swore to protect my rights?
Here's our options. You can either A, take a walk, or B, I can take you back to the precinct and give you a C summons for disorderly conduct. What's gonna be the choice?
You're gonna turn
Sir,
photography into a
What's
crime?
gonna be the choice? You're
Let
gonna
me
take a walk or
let me
you're
get your
gonna
card
walk?
and
Your
I'll.
man is 156
I need your card.
Are you gonna walk off?
You have a supervisor
Sir,
here?
Are you gonna walk off?
Yes, I will.
Okay, then have a good day.
After our conversation,
Have a
I
good
need
day,
your
sir.
card first.
Sir, have a good day. And I have to say it one more time. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs. Have a good day. Are you gonna walk? Okay.
I'm walking. I need your name and badge number.
That's it. It took too long. Let's go.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Not resist.
Stop resisting. What are you getting?
I'm putting my fucking phone in my pocket. You really want to turn photography into a crime because you. All right. Let me speak.
We're asking you questions. All right. You're gonna speak to me. Don't worry. Put your name back.
So you'd rather violate my rights than respect my rights? Really? That's fine. I'll take this over. Just getting out the train station. Got torn up dollar.
Where's go, bro?
Don't touch me.
We can't do that.
Why are you touching me?
We can't do that, brother. Let's go. Come on, you're doing too much. Come on. You can't record the booth, bro.
Don't touch me again, please. Thank you.
You can't record the booth.
Why not?
You can't record the booth, that's all.
Why not?
You cannot record the booth.
Why not?
It's for their safety, MTA safety. You can't record the booth, all right?
Why not?
I'm telling you why.
Is it against the law?
It's against the law to record the booth. There's
Really?
sensitive
What
stuff
law
in-
is that?
There's sensitive stuff in that.
What
in that
law
booth.
in America
I'm not
prevents
going
you
to
from
argue
taking
with you
pictures in
about what.
public?
All I said to you was
Stop
you cannot
lying.
record
You
the
can't
booth.
lie to me, bro.
You cannot record the booth.
You can't lie to me.
You have to leave the train now. You gotta leave.
Let me get your card.
I don't have a card. You have to leave the station now.
Give me your
I'm
card.
telling you that you have to leave.
Give me
right
your
now.
card. It's the right
I
to
don't
know
have a
act.
card. I don't have a card on me.
Produce it.
I don't
Right
have
to
a
know.
card. I don't have a card.
You know, you want to talk about laws, right?
I don't have a card,
You know what the
boss
right
man.
to
I don't
know
have a
act
card.
is?
You have the right to get on
You
the
have to
train.
produce
You have to
it.
leave.
It's
I don't have a
public.
card.
This
I don't
is
have a
public.
card. I don't have a card.
This is public. I'm not committing a
I
crime.
don't have a card.
That means I have a right to be
I'm
here.
telling you right now that
I need your
you have
card.
to leave the station. It's your last warning. All right? You are no longer allowed to come to the station for the rest of the day.
I need your
You are
card.
trespassing now at this moment.
How?
are
First of all, I have a reasonable amount of time to leave.
No. I'm telling you right now, leave. I'm telling you right now, leave. I have no problem.
I can't receive
Put
services
your hands
here.
back.
I'm leaving.
This encounter is a wake-up call. Exercising your First Amendment rights shouldn't lead to handcuffs. When public servants blur the line between policy and law, it's up to us to hold them accountable. Know your rights. Stand your ground. And always, always document everything, because the camera may be your only protection. What happens when the people who swore to uphold the Constitution don't even know what it says? In this video, a lone auditor peacefully records police vehicles from a public sidewalk only to be met with confusion, threats, and unlawful demands. But this time, the tables turn as officers are forced to confront the very rights they're supposed to protect.
Stop right there, boss.
Am I detained?
You have ID? Put your phone down.
Excuse me?
Put your phone down. Give me your ID.
You want me to stop exercising my rights?
You're trespassing in government property right now. Take the pen off your face.
Excuse me. Relax. De-escalate.
There's no de-escalation here. You're trespassing.
How? Excuse me, sir.
Turn around.
Excuse me.
Turn around. Turn around.
I don't even know who you are, so you didn't identify yourself.
Turn around. State police. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
How am I trespassing?
Let's go. That's it.
How am I trespassing?
You're under arrest.
For what? Wow, you just no de-escalation.
Yeah, there's no talking to you.
I'm trying to talk to you. You're being rude to me.
Nope. That's it.
Can I speak to your supervisor, please?
No,
You're being
I'm the
rude.
supervisor. I'm the duty supervisor here. That's it.
How am I trespassing, sir?
Trespassing into a government
Yeah,
facility.
honestly, sir. And I don't have ID anyway.
That's even better. So, do we confirm he was a labor client at all?
I had stepped
I'm
out.
visiting
Somebody
the
was
building.
at
I'm
the.
trying to have a right to
Somebody
public
else was at
You're
the.
walking through the building. You're walking through the building.
public areas.
No, you're not in public areas. You're trespassing into the facility. It's that simple.
I want to speak. Are you a sergeant?
You go into the office, grab my phone?
Yeah, I got you.
Are you a sergeant or a lieutenant? Because I want to speak to your supervisor. You're just rude. Why are you being so rude to me for? You couldn't be nice and we talk?
You're under arrest.
For what?
Trespassing and obstruction.
How did I trespass, sir?
You
Can explain it to me?
you're
You didn't even ask me to leave.
You don't have to be asked to leave. You're
I do.
walking
I
through
have
the
that
building,
opportunity.
filming, trespassing in a government
Sir,
facility.
I'm conducting business in a public building.
Yeah.
I'm not being disorderly. I'm not doing nothing.
Yeah, now you're under arrest for trespassing.
How? It's a public building.
Look at that.
How trespassing in a public building? How, sir? Can you show me the statute?
Yeah, it's called defiant trespass, government
How?
trespass.
How?
You're walking through the building after filming in a place where
I'm filming in a public lobby, sir.
No, you're not in lobby.
public areas.
You're not filming in any public area. That's it.
Sir, the hallway is not public? This is all private building? It's not state funded?
This is a government building, sir.
Okay, so that's,
Stay up the elevator, miss.
that means it's funded by the public, right or wrong? This isn't.
You have any ID in that bag or anything I gotta worry about?
Listen, if you want to start over and be cordial, we can do that.
Yeah, that's fine. You're under arrest anyway. You're getting charged with obstruction, defiant.
Obstruction, I didn't obstruct nobody.
Yeah, you didn't give me your name or anything. You wanted to back away, wanted to take a pen out of your hat.
Because you're mad aggressive. I'm scared of you. You intimidate me, so.
Okay.
For my safety, I'm backing up. I'm not charging you. That's not obstruction.
Where's the back? Third floor?
I want to speak to your supervisor.
You go up to the floor and get my patrol car keys. They're on the desk.
I'd like to speak to your supervisor.
That's fine. I'm the duty trooper and the supervisor for the building. You're under arrest.
I want to speak to your supervisor. I have the right to speak to your supervisor.
Just watch him when he gets in the car. Nope.
That shit. Well, you being polite. You were being polite, then the public will respond to you a little bit better. Nope. No, you don't care about the public.
You're trespassing into a government
You
facility.
didn't even explain it to me.
I don't have to explain anything. I don't have to explain anything to you. You're walking through the building. I don't know if you have a handgun or a grenade or a pipe bomb in that backpack.
Okay, nobody
and you're
searched, nobody
screwing
asked
with my security guards, and you're just jabber-jawing, not responding to me at all. So now you're under arrest. It's that simple. We don't play around with people coming into a government facility, not identifying themselves.
Nobody asked me to ID myself.
We're not getting into that because my staff already asked you several times.
Why do I have to sign in if it's a public building? I don't have the right to be here anonymously, sir.
See that?
Yo!
What's wrong with this guy?
What are you doing?
Excuse me, I'm trying to see the baseball game.
Sir, do me a favor.
I don't do favors.
You're not supposed to record here.
Record where? Outside?
Right here. You're not supposed to record inside a precinct, right?
I'm not inside the precinct.
I'll go and talk to you outside. Give me a second.
We just trying to watch the game, bro. What's wrong with him? I guess he doesn't know what the plain view doctrine is. You know, does he know what the plain view doctrine is?
Sir, you understand, you can do whatever recording you want. What I'm doing is I have sensitive information in there that you shouldn't have been recording.
Whose responsibility is that?
It's your responsibility to stop recording when I ask you to stop recording. Right?
Says who?
I said.
Who are you?
Special officer duty reporting.
You Judge Dredd? Are you Judge Dredd?
All right, listen, do me a favor.
I don't do favors. I told you that already.
Just don't record inside my my office.
Why? What law is that?
Listen.
What law is that?
Just.
What law is that, law enforcement officer? What law are you enforcing right now?
From you to whatever you need.
What law are you enforcing right now? You gotta, no, let me teach you something. Let me teach you. Let me teach you. No, let me teach you.
Have a good day.
Those papers is your responsibility, not my responsibility. Close the fucking window. Right? Don't tell me not to record. Learn something. Stop being a tyrant. God bless you too, Papi. Learn the law, okay?
Boss, yo, hey, I'm talking to you.
Why are you tapping me?
Getting your attention. Why are you recording inside the cars?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Are you okay? Stop recording inside the cars, all right?
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Why?
Do you have any issues? What are you doing in the precinct? Do you need anything?
Why are you recording inside the vehicle, sir?
Why are you telling me not to?
I'm not telling you not to. I'm asking you
Why you tap me? Why did you touch me?
To get your attention. I was talking to you. You wouldn't listen. You was ignoring me.
Do I have to speak to you?
I'm talking to you.
Do I have to speak to you?
You don't have to.
So why
What are
did
you doing
touch
inside
me?
the cars? Do you need anything in the precinct?
Why'd you touch me?
Is it with you?
Why'd you touch me?
I was trying to get your
Getting your
attention.
attention.
And I just asked you, do I have to speak to you?
No, you don't. But you're
So
talking
why-
to us right now. I'm asking you
You
a
want to
question.
apologize for touching me? I don't
No,
like to
I'm
be
not
tapped.
going to apologize.
Okay. So how can I help you? How can I
I'm
help
asking you
you?
the same question. How can I help you?
I didn't approach you. You approached me.
Of course, you're
So how
recording
can I-
inside the cars.
How can I help
These
you?
are police vehicles. They have a special equipment inside that's not supposed to be for the public to know.
But is it against the law, though?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, that is true.
Now, do you need
Okay.
anything?
From you, no. I need you to go back to work and leave me alone.
I'm working. This is my
Okay.
job.
So how can I help you? What's the purpose?
I'm asking you.
I'm asking you questions. Why
Do you have any
recording
purpose? Do you need anything?
Why
You
are you
need a
recording
report?
inside this vehicle? That's my question.
Because I want to.
Because you want to? Okay, you cannot do that. You can record
Why
inside
not?
the car. Because there's equipment in there that is sensitive to the public and you're not supposed
What
to
are you
know about that.
considered?
Is it against the law?
What's your job title?
I'm a police officer.
A police officer or a law enforcement officer?
I'm a police officer.
You enforce
Special officer duty reporting.
laws. You enforce laws, right?
You want to call it that? Yeah, that's okay.
So you enforce laws? You enforce laws too, right?
Yeah.
So what law are you
If you
enforcing
have
right
any
now?
other purpose?
What law are you enforcing right
Sir,
now?
do you need anything from us?
Yeah.
What do you need from us?
I would like to know what law you're enforcing right now.
Sir,
What law are you
do you
enforcing?
need anything? Do you have any reason?
Yeah, I need
What?
to record the cars.
To record the cars? Oh, that's your job?
Yeah.
Who sent you?
I sent myself, the people actually.
Oh, the people? Okay.
Yeah, I work for the people, just like you.
Please do not record inside the cars. That's special.
Which one is it? I can't or please don't?
I'm asking you politely.
He's telling me.
What?
He's telling me I can't.
Okay, just
And you're
so
asking me
I
not
approach
to.
you. I was the one that
So which
approached
one
you
is?
first. I
Yeah.
approached you first. Right.
So can I record the cars?
No, you cannot.
Why not?
Because
What
you're
law
not
is that?
allowed. Sir.
What law is that?
Sir, do you have anything to do inside the precinct? Do you need anything?
I just told you what I'm here for.
Why are you here?
To record the cars, yeah.
Fine. So you're not supposed to do that.
Not supposed to?
Yes.
Is it illegal?
Huh?
Is it
You
illegal?
know what? Yeah, let's do that. You're not supposed to. I'm giving you a lawful order. You're not supposed to.
What law are you enforcing?
Sir, I'm not gonna go back and forth. Please do not record.
You know
inside the
you know what the plain view doctrine is?
I'm done. I'm done with you, right?
Okay, so have a good day. I'm gonna go back to what I was
So
doing.
you
Okay.
keep recording the car. And okay, do that.
Can I record inside the vehicle?
Am I being detained?
You're not.
No, you're not.
All right then.
You're free to go.
All right then. If I'm free to go, I'm free to stay. I
If you're
am.
gonna keep doing that, no, you're not.
I am gonna keep doing that.
So let's see.
What's gonna happen? Call your sergeant. You wanna make threats? Are you threatening me with arrest? Is he threatening me with arrest? What's the issue? What's the crime? I'm trying to have a cordial conversation with you.
Are you?
Aside from your bullying tactics, your intimidation tactics, all that, put all that aside. Put all that to the side. Have a conversation, like a legit conversation. That is, your man, you yelling. I didn't want to talk to you. I obviously didn't want to talk to you, so I walked away. He came, he was yelling. I said, your man. I said, your man was yelling. Came, he tapped me mad aggressively. You telling me you're lying? I know you can lie. Listen, let me speak. I know that you guys can lie to the public. But what I'm telling you is, in this instance, you don't have to lie to me. Because I know what I'm doing. You think I come to the precinct, record the cars because it's illegal? You think I'm going to commit a crime right in front of the precinct while I'm recording? Let's think about it.
Did I tell you that you committed a crime?
You said that I can't record. I can, though. I can. This is public property. This right here, whose job is that? Whose job is it to keep it sensitive? Okay, whose job is it to keep it sensitive? Is it my job? Whatever I can see from public, I can film, Poppy. It's called the plain view doctrine. You use it all the time.
That's not public.
This is public property. If I can see it from public, I can film it. I'm on a sidewalk. That means whatever I can see, I can film. Right. Look, I can see inside the vehicle. Look. I can see inside the vehicle. I can see, though. It's plain view doctrine. So it's your job to keep it private. It's not my job to keep that information private. So whose responsibility is it to keep it private? Mine or yours? Yours, right? Exactly. I don't need directives, Poppy. I know what I'm doing. I need you to train him on the First Amendment. Because he just threatened me with arrest.
I did not threaten
You did. You said it's illegal.
No, I told you you're not supposed to record the
Can you teach him what the plain view doctrine is? You know what the plain view doctrine. Was I detained? Yeah, I need both of your business cards. Come on, Bobby. Like, I'm trying to have a nice conversation with you. I'm telling you it's not illegal. You're telling me it is illegal. Listen. I'm trying to have a respectful conversation. Listen, Lieutenant. I'm peacefully recording. It's not if. Listen. You don't want to bridge the gap with the people? I'm not being disrespectful.
You know what? I'll listen to you for a couple of minutes. Can you put that phone down?
I'm recording my government. Where's the transparency? Where's the transparency? There's no transparency.
So I wanted to explain one thing to you.
Go ahead.
I'm dealing with sensitive stuff in there. I
Oh,
wanted
right.
some air.
Right.
That's why I opened my window.
Right.
You decided to invade that privacy, right?
If you say so.
Okay. And that's what I'm trying to tell you.
If you want privacy, you have to create it. If you want privacy, you have to create it.
There's no damage to my vehicle.
How about you say honor your oath? Why don't you tell them to honor their oath to the Constitution, bro?
This video proves that education is power. You don't need a badge to stand up for your rights, you just need knowledge and a camera. When faced with intimidation, remain calm, cite the law, and never let anyone rewrite your freedoms. Because in America, the First Amendment isn't a favor, it's a guarantee.